Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix authorization pending in Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need to do here is to open up search, then go to File Explorer, then on this new window here, look for Documents. Then you need to find the game that you're having problems with. When you launch the game, probably you get this error mentioned, and then you just need to, let's say it's GTA 5. And then what you need to do here is to rename that particular folder. So just right click on it and then rename it. And for example, let's rename it Rockstar Games X, right? And then launch the game and the issue should be solved. Of course, probably you will lose all the saves here because game will not recognize saves. So you just need to transfer, for example, saves to another folder that is created. But nevertheless, it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.